students, we were doing integrations and the integrals of the type. Today we will start. In the previous class, we have done the integrals of type this. And today we will start with the integrals of type this is the type, and the condition here is m plus n is negative integer. कल जो हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में टाइप करी थी, इसी टाइप के इंटेग्रल्स थे. उसमें क्या था? इफ m is even or odd and similar for n is even or odd. Today what we are doing, the integrals of same type, but the condition is that powers of sine and cos, sum of powers of sine and cos would be a negative integer. Let's start with question number 1. In this type, we change the integrands in the form of tan x or sec square x. फर्स्ट स्टेप में जो भी इसके इंटीग्रेंड हैं, हम उनको tan या sec की फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे, and after that we put tan x as t. Now let's start with question number 1. Integral of sin 4x upon cos of 8x dx. Now here we divide numerator and denominator by cos 4x. What we want here is integrand in power of 10. Sin upon cos is 10 and sec 1 upon cos is sec. So we divide the numerator and the denominator by cos power 4x. What we get here is tan power 4x upon cos power 4x. Tan 4 and sec 4x. Tan 4x and sec 4x. In the sec 4x, we write sec 4 as sec square into sec square. Tan 4 x sec square x into sec square x. Instead of 1 sec square x, we use the identity here 1 plus tan square x, tan 4x, 1 plus tan square x, sec square x dx. Now put tan x as t. Differentiate. Derivative of tan is sec square. Sec square x dx as dt. T4 1 plus t square dt. T4 plus t power 6. Now apply the power rule here. N plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. And t here is 10. Tan 5x upon 5 plus tan of 7x upon 7 plus c. What we do here is, first we change the sine and cos in the terms of tan and sec. For doing that, we divide the numerator and denominator by cos 4x. Because sine has power 4, so we have tan 4x. So we divide it by cos 4x. Cos 4x, 1 upon cos is sec. Sec 4x, sec square x into sec square x. And instead of 1 sec square x, we use the identity here 1 plus tan square x. Now put tan x as t. Derivative of tan is sec square x dx dt. T4 into 1 plus t square dt. After that, we apply the power rule and substitute the values in terms of x. Now the next one is integral of 1 upon sine cube x and cos power 5x. We can write it as its power is 1 by 2, so sine power 3 by 2x and cos power 5 by 2x. Here the sine has power 3 by 2, so we multiply and divide it by cos 3 by 2 to make it 10x. Cos 3 by 2 into cos 3 by 2x. Now sine upon cos is 10. 3 by 2x. This is in product. Add the powers. X power a into x power b is equals to x power a plus b. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2, that is 4. Cos 4x. And 1 upon cos is sec 4x upon 10 3 by 2x dx. Instead of sec 4x, we write sec square x into sec square x. And sec square x is equals to 1 plus tan square x. Now put tan x as t. After differentiating, we get sec square x dx as dt. Sec square x dx is equals to dt. 1 plus t square t power 3 by 2 dt. Now separate the terms. 1 upon t, this, and t2 minus 3 by 2. T power minus 3 by 2. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 2. Now apply the power rule here. N plus 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus half. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus c. What is the t here? 10. 10 power minus 1 by 2x plus 2 by 3. 10 power 3 by 2x plus c. Minus 2 upon square root of tan x plus 2 by 3 tan 3 by 2x plus c. Is it clear? Next is integral of sec 4 by 3x cosec 8 by 3x dx. Next is integral of sec 4 by 3x into cosec 8 by 3x. Sec is equals to 1 upon cos and cosec is equals to 1 upon sine. Now divide it by 8 by 3. Cos of 4 by 3 sine 8 by 3x upon cos 8 by 3x into cos of 8 by 3x dx. Sin upon cos is tan. Tan of 8 by 3x. Add the power 4 by 3 plus 8 by 3. That is 4 into cos of 4x. Again 1 upon cos is sec. Sec 4x upon tan 8 by 3x dx. Instead of sec 4, we write sec square x into sec square x upon tan 8 by 3. Sec square x is equals to 1 plus tan square x. Now put tan x as t. Sec square x dx dt. 1 plus t square upon t power 8 by 3 dt. Now separate the terms. 1 upon t 8 by 3 plus t square upon t 8 by 3. T power minus 8 by 3. 2 minus 8 by 3. 2 minus 8 by 3 is 6 minus 8 minus 2 by 3. Now apply the power rule here. N plus 1 minus 8 by 3 plus 1 is minus 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3 plus c. Now put the value of t here. Tan x power minus 5 by 3 plus 3 tan of 1 by 3x plus c minus 3 by 5 tan minus 5 by 3x plus 3 tan 1 by 3x plus c. Now the next one is cube root of sine square x upon cos of 14x dx. We can write it as sine power 2 by 3x upon cos power 14 by 3x. Now multiply and divide it by cos 2 by 3. Sine upon cos is tan. 2 by 3 minus 14 by 3 minus 4. 1 upon cos 4x. Cos 4 is equals to sec tan 2 by 3x into sec of 4x. Write sec 4 as sec square into sec square. And instead of 1 sec square, repeat the same procedure. Instead of 1 sec square, we put the value 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2 by 3 x into 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. Now put tan x as t, sec square x dx dt, t power 2 by 3 into 1 plus t square dt. T power 2 by 3, 2 plus 2 by 3. 2 plus 2 by 3 is 8 by 3. T power 8 by 3 dt. Now apply the power rule here, n plus 1. 2 by 3 plus 1 is 5 by 3. And 8 by 3 plus 1 is 11 by 3. 3 by 5, tan 5 by 3x plus 3 by 11, tan 11 by 3x plus c. 3 by 5, tan 5 by 3 plus 3 by 11, tan 11 by 3x plus c. Now let's start with some more questions of these types. Let's start with question number 1. Integral of sine 4x cos cube x. Here the power of cos x is odd. So what we do here, we put sine x as t. But before putting sine x as t, we write cos cube as cos square x into cos x. Instead of cos square x, we use the identity here. Cos square x is equals to 1 plus sine square x. Now since the power of cos is odd, so we have to put sin x as t. हमने फर्स्ट टाइप ये पढ़ी थी कि पावर m ऑड है या पावर n ऑड है या पावर इवन में है, तो हम क्या सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे. अगर cos की पावर odd में है, then we put sin x as t. Now differentiate derivative of sin is cos x dx as dt, t4 into 1 plus t square dt, t4 plus t6. Now apply the power rule here. N plus 1, 5 by 5, 6 plus 1 is 7. Put the value of t. T here is sin x, sin power 5x upon 5 plus sin 7x upon 7 plus c. Cos square x is 1 minus. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So here we have minus sign. Next is integral of sine power 5. Here the power of sine is odd, so we substitute cos x as t. Write sine 5 as sine 4x into sine x. Sine 4 is sine square x square sine x dx. Instead of sine square x, we use the identity 1 minus cos square x. Now put cos x as t. Derivative of cos is minus sine of x dx is equals to dt. Sine x dx is minus dt 1 minus t square whole square. Apply the formula. A minus b whole square is a square plus b.